So yeah, RetroTINK 4K. Let's see how it looks, and with my luck, it comes broken. It's like full of broken plastic and electronics. Where the hell is it? But yeah, it's fun. It was sent from California, and it took like it was FedEx, yeah, FedEx, and it took like 2 days to get to like into France, and that was fast. But then it gets to Scandinavia, and it's like Sweden, and it's not anymore FedEx. It turns into PostNord. That is like it's like a Swedish or Danish. I think it was Danish company, but yeah, and it took like 3 days to arrive from Sweden to Finland, and it takes 2 days inside Finland. Like please give us FedEx here. Yeah, something like that. Oh, hot dogs. Lovely. Yeah, the power cable. Yeah, I remember. It comes with yeah. If you don't have like a SD card reader, you have this like a that you can connect to PC and it reads SD cards. Okay, nice. Have to do it tomorrow. What else? Yeah, I love braided. Hey, Chubby. I don't know. Is it better, but it always feels like, hey, come on, this is like a somehow more quality, better quality in many ways. Maybe this, I don't know. And the bad part from the inside hot dogs. Ay. Throw this away. Look at, it's beautiful. So yeah, I think you can change this if you like. There's like a company that makes. Yeah, plus of course postage, and postage was like what is it was like 60 or so dollars with FedEx. Then I of course have to pay like the Finnish taxes, like the was like 24% tax. Yeah, this well, it's funny. Let's see. Of course, here we have here's the SD memory card that I was talking about. Oh, it even has. Oh, look at that! It even has logo. So yeah, you can basically you do like software updates with this one, and you also save those profiles and stuff like that inside this one. So this is like one of the biggest reasons why I wanted. Well, not the only reason, but one of the biggest reasons, because I believe that with this one, that this like a thingy, this thing is gonna have like a really long shelf life, because you can do like so much with it. So we have at the front we have S-Video and RCA. Here we have SCART. If you remember, the last RetroTINK 5X had problems with like the loose SCART connector. So this time Mike did add like a added these like screw holes, or what do you call these? No, extra crisp is made for multiplayer. And at the back, of course, components, component int, reset button, audio in and VGA. Audio in is because, you know, normally the VGA connector doesn't, you know, carry any audio. Optical audio in. Digital video out. So this I connect into my capture card. Oops. Digital video in. Yeah. You can also like this one has like a HDMI input. So I can like upscale even like a PlayStation 3 and stuff like that. More modern systems. And of course USB-C power. 5 volts, 2 amps. Nice, 1.4. Yep. I like that. It looks great. And design is really nice looking. This is basically, was it like third or second batch? I think the Mike G is the creator, the guy who sells these and makes. I think the next batch is gonna be at the beginning of May. Like, I have. Good morning, Cockison. But with this, like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna update this with like the newest software and stuff. But on Monday at 7 p.m. Finnish time, we are gonna test this on stream. Maybe with a couple of different systems. I was thinking that maybe we'll try, of course, Mega Drive, maybe NES. Because this has VGA out input, so I was thinking we could try like a Game Gear that I have modded with like a VGA output, so we could try it. But beautiful. I'm gonna have a long, beautiful relationship with this system.